A lawyer, Ozie Davis III is a lifelong advocate for racial justice and socioeconomic equity. He was the founding executive director of the Avondale Comprehensive Development Corporation, representing the community where he grew up and currently lives. Prior to that, he led community development efforts as a program officer at the Local Initiative Support Corporation, or LISC, where he focused on housing, safety, education, workforce development, commercial development, community organizing, and other community-based initiatives. He has also served in the 100th Congress as Congressman Steve Driehaus's community liaison, where he worked with African American, faith-based, Latino, and African communities in Ohio's 1st Congressional District to ensure that their voices were heard and their interests were met by local representatives. While his efforts have been very broad, he makes no apologies about being an advocate for the Black community. He has served on the boards of the Cincinnati Public Schools, where he is IMCPS, and the Cincinnati Citizens Complaint Authority Board. He also was a member of the Open Cincinnati Action Team and the Center for Closing the Health Gap's Healthy Food Access Task Force. Keeping with his love for sports and for children, he served as a member of the Reds Community Fund Advisory Committee for a decade. That love for children led to Davis being a co-founder of the Avondale Youth Council, a social engineering experience for Avondale youth and young adults, and the Queen City Youth Development Program, a program for 13 to 18-year-old inner-city student athletes, which has amassed over 150 scholarships for its alumni. His mentoring through these programs literally has saved lives and opened new possibilities for local youth of color. I am so thankful and so proud, Ozie, as we thank you for your dedication to our community, your feet always on the ground, and we're proud to name you a 2022 YWCA Racial Justice Award honoree.
Thank you, Dr. Langston. I really appreciate you nominating me and you presenting this award. This award means so much to me. It's an absolute honor to receive an award from an organization whose primary mission is to eliminate racism. You know, our YWCA is an absolute jewel in our community. And I've gotten awards before, but this one means a ton to me. And for you, Oracle, to think of me in this light means the world to me. Our efforts are all about love. From all of my experiences, including the 57 years I've lived on Eden, I've come to learn that through the darkest of times, if we would just love a little more. People sometimes say that love is soft, but it's anything but. It's the hardest thing to do. And we have to start with loving ourselves and then holding ourselves accountable to love others. I'm not talking, it's not new language. It's actually the oldest adage there is. That will let you know that it's not easy to do. And for me, whether it's my work with Children's Hospital, with Monroe Barnes, with Kingsley and Associates, or anybody that I'm working with in the community, it's all about shaping an environment where we all can feel loved. I don't care if you're black, blue, pink. I want you to be in an environment where you feel loved. It's about love. And then it's, for me, about you teenagers. Nothing shakes me more than a teenager killing somebody or being killed by gunplay. We got to do better. I believe this award is that energy, that motivation, that continual support that I need to do just a little bit more. And I promise you, I'm gonna love more. Thank you. Thanks again, Dr. Bankston. Thank you, YWCA. We appreciate you. Please keep loving as you work to eliminate racism. God bless you.